So guys, this is the ground biryani masala. It's freshly ground. I have just done it at home. I have used a coffee grinder, and I always keep it handy because if I'm using any spices in my food, I always like to grind them fresh. So only I have ground only as much as I needed. So please don't grind so much spices and then keep them for a week or a month, because they lose their taste and their aroma. So it's not advisable to grind them all together and keep it in a bottle and for a month or two. No, that will not give you the same taste and aroma. That will not give you the same magic that happens in biryani. So try to just make it like this. Grind it freshly and use it fresh. So you will know that how much these spices are helpful for your health as well when they are freshly ground. So guys, just in a short while I'm going to give you my recipe of making biryani masala. I hope you will like it. I'm going to use these 10 spices. Number 1, cinnamon stick, and that is just these 2 medium pieces. Number 2, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. Number 3, just 10 pieces of cloves. Number 4, 3 to 4 pieces of black cardamom. Number 5, that's black peppercorn. I'm using just 1 teaspoonful because I'm going to use red chili powder and green chili, fresh green chili in the recipe, so I don't need so much of black pepper. Number 6, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. You can also use less or more according to your taste. Number 7, cardamom. I'm using 10 cardamom pods. You can remove the seeds and then grind them, or with the pods you can grind them. Number 8, bay leaves. These are dried bay leaves, and I'm using 4 pieces. Number 9, I'm using fennel seeds. Some people do not like to eat fennel seeds. I can understand that, but these fennel seeds are going to be ground, so they will give a very beautiful taste in biryani, so you must try it. Number 10, star anise. I'm just taking 3 full flowers of star anise. So I'm going to put all these 10 ingredients together in a coffee grinder, and I shall grind them until they turn into fine powder. Some people like to use whole spices, but that really ruins the beauty of the food, and it's like a distraction to a beautiful biryani. So try this recipe, and please let me know in the comments if you use any other spices that I have not included. Thank you so much for watching my video.